This is a long john. We'll improvise a little bit on that, but
it's still a raised donut with chocolate frosting.
It's just a different shape. You're right.
Shape.
You're right. Good morning, Lincoln. Thanks for joining us for another episode of Food 411. I'm here with Allison Wick.
Hey guys.
Thanks for joining me today, Allison.
No problem.
Do you like donuts?
I love donuts. You guys, this is my thing. It's a good thing I'm doing this one because I know donuts.
This challenge is meant for you then.
Yes.
I also love donuts, as I've said before. Okay, so right now we are at Hertz Donuts here downtown Lincoln. I've personally never been in here before, which is kind of crazy because they've been around for a while and I've had their donuts, but I've never been in here, and it's super cute. Yeah. Really, really great atmosphere, and they have lots of yummy donuts to choose from. So, but today for our contest, or I'm sorry, for our episode, we are tasting the raised donut with chocolate frosting. So we had to improvise a little bit. Their raised donut is in the shape of a long john, so it's just a little bit different shape.
Yep.
But same concept, so we should totally be fine. What are the other two rules? Do you know, Allison?
They can't know we're coming, so they can't make us a special donut and try harder. And one bite. They've got one shot to impress us.
Ooh, one chance. All right. Here is yours.
I don't like a long john to make you feel like a kid.
I always loved these as a kid.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. And the ones with the cream in the middle are like my favorites.
Yes.
But these have no cream in the middle, so they're on an even playing field with all the other donuts.
All right, so do we bite from the end or do we tear off and bite from the middle?
Probably the end, since they're not full. That's what I would suggest.
All right.
All
Ready?
right.
Here we go.
We have to cheers first.
Cheers.
I like it. I like that frosting.
Yeah.
Very tasty.
It's not too much frosting, but it's enough that you get the chocolate.
Mm-hmm.
And they're not dry. So one thing, I was a little bit worried with Hertz because since they are open all the time, I was worried that, what if we get stale donuts? But they're really good about turning their inventory over and making sure that they've got good donuts out front on display. So this is actually, pretty fresh. Tastes pretty good. I like the flavor and the texture.
I would agree with it. Agree with you. Definitely very fresh. The donut is like the perfect density, so it's not too thin and hard or flaky.
Yeah.
Not too dense. It's just like the perfect
not too much
density.
bread too.
Yeah.
Because sometimes you'll get it's just all bread, and it's basically you're eating just a biscuit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
A chunk of bread. Yeah.
Yeah.
No, these are good. And Hertz Donuts is open. They say 25 hours. 25/8.
25 hours a day, 8 days a week. They're committed.
So, shall we go ahead and rate the donuts?
Yeah.
Okay.
I mean, I would say a 9. It's good. It's exactly what I would expect. I like the texture. I like the flavor. I mean, there's nothing that I'm like, oh, they clearly used black magic. So, 10 is really your black magic number where you think voodoo was clearly involved, and we're not working with voodoo. But I think it's a pretty good donut, so I think a 9.
I'm on the same page as you. This is definitely one of the better donuts that I've had. So I'm actually going to agree with the 9.
Cool.
Yeah. So
it's unanimous.
The official rating is 9.0 here at Hertz Donuts.
Good job, Hertz.
Thanks for joining us today. And as always, please don't forget to like, share, and follow our Homegrown page. We have lots of fun stuff for you on there, especially if you like food. We'll see you next time.
Bye, guys.
Bye.